Good morning guys, in front of me is TECNO Spark 20C and let me show you how to do fingerprint. First of all, find and select settings. Then locate and open password and security and click on fingerprint. Click on set fingerprint, but at first you need to set some lock screen password. It can be pattern, numeric password or alphanumeric password, however you like. Let me choose pattern and just provide it twice. Now manage notification content and click on add fingerprint. So as you can see, fingerprint sensor is located on your power button right here, and all you have to do is to keep tapping, just like this. So tap on next. And now place your fingerprint on the sensor, then lift it up and then place it on the sensor again till it is fully added. It should take up to 1 minute, even less I guess. And tap on finish. So from now on you will be able to unlock this device with your fingerprint only, or let me just unlock it. At first we need to provide pattern, but then you should be able to do it without it, just like this. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.